internet and community music network. I'm Matt Robinson, community musician here at Concert House Dortmund. I've got a warm-up and a sort of warm-up song as well to share with you today. They're both kind of lovingly stolen from the amazing Rachel Leach and Tim Yelland from the UK, who both with the London Symphony Orchestra and many other things. They're brilliant. Just attack these with energy. First is a very quick physical warm-up. Ask for a number between 1 and 10. Hopefully it's a big number, but it can be whatever. And then you want a body part. So give me a body part as well. It might be like your head or your knee or whatever. You can do the standing up or sitting down. And then you need 4 body parts. So you might go, I don't know, head, shoulders, knees, and nose or something. And then if your number was 4, it would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, like that. And you do it with the whole group. It's really silly and really fast. You can put some music behind it as well. Get the suggestions from people though. Do that. Don't make any decisions yourself. Then go into a little song. This is a hello song. Again, super quick. Give a demo as the first verse, but then get ideas from everyone else. It's just in C. And then you'll go to a G chord halfway through. And you just go, you need a hello, a way of saying hello in a language, and then a vowel sound afterwards. So you could go, hello, ah, hello, ah, hello, ah, hello, ah, hello, ah. And then I need a different way of saying hello in a different language. I don't know what that will be. You could say, I don't know, salut. And then it'd be ooh afterwards, and you go up a tone. Salut, ooh, salut, ooh, salut, ooh, salut, ooh, salut, ooh. You could also put a movement to these in some way, so you could have you have to have a way of saying hello, a vowel sound afterwards, in whatever way, and an action to go with that. Whatever way, and then just build them, go up a tone each time. You're also warming up the voice and walk it through, and then put it all together in whatever way and try and remember it. And then they're 2 quick things together. They will take no more than 5 minutes, and you've done a physical warm-up and a vocal warm-up. You've got them thinking creatively on their feet at the same time. Yeah, it's just a really quick way in, especially if you're going into a really high-paced creative workshop and you need stuff from your group. It's a really cool way in. Hope that's useful. Good luck out there.